Do you know that the human body is a community of 30 to 40 trillion cells? It functions like a well-organized city where every cell has a specific role to play. But cancer is like a thief. It infiltrates this community without discrimination and steals our health. To understand this better, let us take the example of a car. Every cell in our body is like a car with three main controls. The first control is the brake, which in scientific terms is called tumor suppressor genes. These brakes prevent the cell from growing out of control. The second control is the accelerator, known as oncogenes, which signal the cell to grow and divide. The third control is the fuel tank. Normal cells have a limited lifespan, but cancer cells use an enzyme called telomerase to continuously create their own fuel, as if they are running on solar energy and never stop. When the brakes fail, the accelerator remains pressed and the fuel never runs out. The car becomes uncontrollable. That is cancer. But the question is, why does this car break down in the first place? The biggest scientific reason is damage to the cell's powerhouse, the mitochondria. Cancer develops from a normal cell when its mitochondria stop functioning properly. So, how can we protect our mitochondria and stop this out-of-control car? According to science, there are 6 solid approaches. First, vitamin D. Sunlight alone may not always be sufficient. During winter, daily supplementation of vitamin D may be required. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels strengthens the immune system, enabling it to fight cancer more effectively. Second is fasting. Practicing regular intermittent fasting is recommended. In addition, a longer fast of 2 days once a month, consuming only water, can help rejuvenate and strengthen mitochondria. Some scientific theories suggest that in severe conditions, cancer cells can be weakened by reducing glucose availability, as cancer cells require large amounts of glucose to grow. Third, make changes to your diet. Avoid refined sugar, starch, and refined oils as they damage mitochondria. Instead, adopt a low-carbohydrate diet and consume plenty of garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage and broccoli. Fourth, avoid excess iron. Overuse of iron supplements or iron cookware can damage mitochondria and increase oxidative stress in the body. Fifth, exercise and stress management. Regular physical activity helps remove damaged mitochondria from the body. Reducing stress, getting adequate sleep, and avoiding withdrawing from toxic relationships are equally important, as stress alters the internal environment of the body in ways that promote cancer growth. Finally, when we look to the future, there is no need to panic. Science is advancing rapidly. We are now in the era of precision oncology, where tumor sequencing helps select the most effective drug for each patient. Technologies like digital twins allow doctors to create virtual models of patients to predict which treatments will work best. At the same time, immunotherapy has revolutionized cancer treatment by enabling the body's own immune system to destroy tumors. Remember, cancer is not always a death sentence. If detected early, it is treatable. Stay informed, eat wisely, and take care of your body.